now all I want to do is just sit around and listen to it run. I stopped in and saw Neil, and we discussed what the next step should be in the continuing restoration process. Of course, there's an endless list of things that need to be done. The fuel system is working great after Neil's total rebuild of both carburetors. And then there were the rocks and gravel in the fuel tank. Neil put me on the waiting list and promised that he'd be calling soon to book an appointment. Of course, when the work begins on the car, I will be there with my cameras, and we'll be carefully recording the work as it goes forward. We're fixing the speedometer, we're replacing the electrical hub on the steering wheel with the directionals and lights and horn, and we're also replacing the center console. I can't wait to get started.